Model, 2012 Volkswagen Caddy C20 1.6TDI 75PS. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 139,728. MOT, the 27th of November 2025. Engine, 1598 cc 1.6TDI 75PS. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs great. Transmission in good condition and pulls in all gears. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition reflects the age and mileage of the vehicle. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Genuine honest work van. Features, 2 former keepers.